Let me show you how you can insert shapes in Miros. So in your Miro board on the left hand side, you'll find the shapes icon. Click on that and you have a whole bunch of text that you can add. So I'm going to go ahead and add the first one right here, which is this triangle here. And as you can see, I add it and I can move it wherever I want. If I want to add more inside, I can go ahead and click on it again and even click on more shapes. And it's going to give you a whole lot of different shapes that you can, and even icons and so forth, right? So whatever you want, you can easily find it. So I'm going to go ahead and take, for example, the shape of the plane. And as you can see, yeah, some of these you need to have an upgraded account, right? And so once you have an upgraded account, you will be able to use them, right? So let me stick to the free ones for now. And let's say I want to put, for example, this one here. As you can see, it's there. And you can always go ahead and resize them to whatever you want, right? And if you want to even make a duplicate of these things, you can always go ahead and do it. So here you can see I do it, and as you can see, it even link and create a second one right here, and you can adjust it to the way you want, right? And if you want to just press Control C, Control V, you can make another one and you can, resize it. So that's it, guys. That's how you can easily go ahead and insert shapes in Miro. Very easy and very simple.